All right, teachers, here is a cost-effective way to decorate your classrooms. You're gonna pick up the package of these treat bags from the dollar store. All right, I split this pack up into 7 and 7 bags, stack them together, and I'm gonna cut along the lines. I did 7 because I wanna show you 2 different ways. So I'm gonna cut on these lines. All right, I'm gonna use a double-sided tape runner. You can use hot glue or Elmer's glue, and you're gonna make an upside down T and put the next bag right on top. Okay, so here's another way. Take a paper plate, push it to the top, trace to get a rounded edge, and then cut it around and do the same thing we did as the one before.